Hey guys, if you're just starting out on the guitar, you might be making some mistakes without even realizing it. These mistakes can slow down your progress, can physically hurt, and make playing way harder than it needs to be. In this video, I'll go over these mistakes and show you how to fix them. Let's get started. Number 1. Improper thumb position. One big mistake is keeping your thumb too high over the neck or angling it sideways, and makes it harder to play notes cleanly. The solution for this one is keep your thumb behind the neck, roughly in the middle. This will give your fingers more flexibility and make it easier to stretch across the fretboard. Second common mistake is not keeping your fingers close to the string. If your fingers are too far from the strings, you'll need to move them a lot more to hit the right notes. This can slow you down and make your playing sloppy. The solution for this one is keep your fingers close to the fretboard, just above the strings, even when you're not pressing it down. This minimizes movement and increases speed and accuracy. The third one is not using the fingertips. Using the pads of your fingers instead of the fingertips can cause a string buzz or accidentally mute other notes. The solution for this one is press down with the very tip of your fingers and keep them arched. This will help the notes ring clearly and prevent muting other strings. Number 4. Not anchoring your hand. If your picking hand isn't anchored, it can be difficult to accurately hit the right strings. The solution for this one, plant your palm lightly on the bridge or your pinky on the guitar body for stability. This will help with precision and make picking easier. Fifth one, holding the pick wrong. Holding your pick incorrectly can make strumming or picking feel awkward. The solution for this one is hold the pick between your thumb and the side of your index finger, not with your middle finger. Keep a firm but relaxed grip so the pick doesn't slip but can still move smoothly across the strings. Sixth mistake the beginner usually make, only using arm when strumming. If you only move your arm while strumming, your playing will feel stiff and unnatural and can produce a harsh sound. The solution for this one is use a combination of your wrists and arm. Keep your wrist loose and relaxed while letting your arm guide the motion. 7th common mistake is not practicing consistently. If you only practice once in a while, you won't see real progress. Even if it's just 10-15 minutes a day, practicing consistently is the key. Regular practice builds muscle memory and improves your playing much faster. The 8th mistake beginners usually make is not taking small steps. Jumping into a full song too quickly can be overwhelming. The solution for this one is breaking it down. If a song has 4 chords, start with just 2 and practice switching between them. Once you're comfortable, add the next 2. Taking small steps make learning easier and more enjoyable. And there you have it, some of the most common mistakes beginner guitarists make and how to fix them. Also, if you're looking for a beginner guitar course that teaches you everything in the correct order, check out the link in the description.